What up, mga solid subscribers, no? Okay, guys, meron ditong, ano to, guys, no? SB19, no? I paid SB19 $20 to do a try karaoke, no? Okay, guys, wala na pa tumpik-tumpik pa. Panoorin natin. Let's go.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi, for $20, do you want to do E-Try karaoke?
Guys, a very big shout, guys, a very big shoutout po sa, ano na, sa creator po nito. I mean, sa channel nito. All credits po sa kanila, no? E-Try karaoke po, no? Okay? All credits po sa kanila. Ako si Pablo.
How do you rank your singing on a scale of 1 to 10?
A solid 1.
7.
If Pablo's 1, I'm gonna be 0.
Solid 1. A liquidated 2.
I was about to say that. For me, it's 0.5. Okay, I have to change my answer. I will go negative 100.
I really liked Gassy 3. Okay. Tell us your names and where you're from.
We are SB19 from the Philippines. Yeah.
I'm Pablo. I'm from the Philippines. Cavite represent. Let's go! Hi everyone, my name is Tel. I'm from Manila.
Manila.
Manila, Philippines.
Hello everyone, I'm Justin and I'm from Valenzuela.
Hey, what's up? I'm Josh Cullen from the Philippines.
Paris, Bisaya, Ken from the Philippines.
What is your favorite song right now?
Always by Daniel Caesar. Right now, I really jam to Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga's Die With A Smile.
Right now, my
What the heck?
favorite song currently is Bughaw by Maki.
Welcome to the Black Parade.
Tora,
Ooh,
Don't
Marcus.
Tell Her.
Oh,
Ano?
great song choices.
Si Josh, no, talagang rock. Welcome to Black Pride by Chemical Romance. Ano yung kay Ken?
Let's.
The Black Parade.
Tora, Don't Tell Her.
Oh, great
Hindi
song
ko din yung
choices.
So, baka di ko
rock
kaya
and
yung
roll.
artist.
Dami mga critics sa angin mga ginig. Bakit ako trying to run my fame?
Ayun, yung Tagalog version nila.
Can't tell me nothing, boss up and I change the game. My moves so clean, got him all the girls hooked. This rap so mean, got him all the boys shook. Before we pussy streets, now we topping Bible charts. Come and shut you down, cause we're raising up the bar like
Eh.
popping in the streets of LA. Never hitting brakes, okay, okay. Yeah, we're doing
Ano na sinuto? Dalawang beses?
Ooh, don't feel look good together. There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads
Ano to?
forever.
Kambal sila? Ano?
So tonight I'm gonna show you all. Been rocking with you. I want the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. My baby, don't play. Blame it on the confidence. Oh, blame it on your measurements. Shut shit down and slow. That's right. I've been dripping in fitness. It don't make no sense. I am dripping in fitness. You know it, you know it. Yo.
What's your guilty pleasure song?
The pleasure song, I think it's the same song that I said earlier. Well, I always find myself singing that song, so.
That's a good reason.
Mine was Supernatural by Ariana.
Out of My League by Stephen Spears.
Under the Influence by Chris Brown.
2024, Playboy Cardi.
My guilty pleasure? I should have an answer prepared, but I don't. I don't know. It's probably like something from Hamilton or. Moving on. If you could do karaoke with anyone, who would it be?
Let them. No, not me first.
That's a hard question.
Me, Michael Jackson.
Bruno Mars.
Post Malone.
I like that one.
You only get one
Still
choice.
Bruno Mars to.
He's not alive anymore. Given a chance, I'll do it with Adele.
Adele.
Please, please.
I'll do it with SB19.
Oh.
Oh, you win. You passed the test. And do you want to dedicate your performance to anyone?
We want to dedicate it to our 18. Yeah, 18.
Go, 18.
fans.
Are you ready?
This is ugly. But alam mo naman, dami like it, then again. Cause I'm icy.
Ba't intro yung kanta?
What you gonna do pag may dumating na maitim na ulap ako kikiligin.
Parang huli yung music, guys.
Kasi pag realidad na ang harap, agad nagising.
Anong pakiramdam pumanig sa walang hanggang hagdan?
Di pa sa patadam ng iyong
Loko si Justin.
Lahat tinipon.
Ay tundig na nagdaw na digo. Ayan nagusan tagap ko ng gamalasan ay nag-aawang.
Kita ba sa aking mga
Gusto ko si Justin.
mga bagay
Gusto ko yung version
na
Justin.
hindi mo nakikita.
Mali yung music.
Tuwing harap ka sa tulan, may di pa titinan. Eto na, bunga na mga hirap. Ako pa lang sa katanungan, anong pakiramdam? Bakit parang ganito ang
you gonna spend the $20 on?
I'm gonna spend it on ice cream.
It's a bit hot today, so
Maybe an ice cream would
treat ourselves to ice cream.
Hey! Shoutout sa ano sa E-Try. Nakaka-enjoy, no? Inisip ko lang, no? Comment down below. Paano nila sinushoot yan? Siyempre, 5 ang SB19, no? I think, ano sila? Ang ginawa nila is baka 3 takes sila, no? Una muna, si nakita na, si Josh, and then si Pablo, then si Stel, and then dalawa, and then may ulit magsasama na dalawa, no? So, ganun yung ginawa nila, no? So, paano? Ang galing, no? Ang hassle, no? Ang cute lang, eh, no? Diba? Kung paano nila sinut, no? Very creative, no? Sobrang shoutout, eh, no? Pero big shoutout kay E-Try Karaoke, napakagaling, na and she deserves my subscribe, no? Let's go, subscribe po tayo dyan, let's go! Yan, no? So, yun lang guys, sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito, no? Natawa talaga ako doon sa part na si Justin, eh. Yung, yung medyo naging Tagalog na English na, English na slang. Yung mga, literal, yung mga banyaga, ginagaya nila pag Tagalog daw na, English. I mean, Philippine, kung paano bigkasin ng Pilipino yung English language, guys. Yan lang guys, kaya leave a like, subscribe, and kaya ring na notification bell para lang yung po pag release ng bagong video. So, this is Pwede Ben signing out. Peace, last year.